Welcome everyone to me opening AliExpress $1.99 plus and minus deal. Let's get straight into this, see what I got this time. Alright, first item is, I got this before. This is one of those stainless steel or metal pan cleaning kit or cleaning scrub. Basically, it's a sponge with sort of like a very coarse, rough. It's almost like sandpaper, but it's not. Yeah, it's meant to clean grills and stainless steel pots and pans. So this would be great for it. It doesn't have, it has enough abrasion to do the job, but won't damage or scratch your stainless steel. At least that's you know I've used it already and it worked pretty well. So I got another set pack. This one right here is going for $1.79 at that time of the deal for a 10 pack. So not too bad. $1.79 for a 10 pack. Pretty cool. Next up is this right here. This is another piece that I got. I got this previously before. This is actually a steamer set, and I'm gonna actually leave it in the bag just like this because I'm gonna give this to my mom. I use it myself. It's for microwave. Yeah, I steam vegetables in it and it worked pretty well. My microwave is defaulted at high, I believe, and you know, put it put enough water in it and put your vegetables. It come with two trays, and I would say I put it at about between 6 to 8 minutes, depending on what type of vegetable. If it's, like for example, I love Brussels sprouts. I admit that. Steamed Brussels sprout is the best. Makes the Brussels sprouts soft, and great source, great greens. And I've steamed asparagus and everything in it also. So yeah, it works so well that I'm gonna give one to my mom. I do note that if this is a microwave steamer, and make sure your microwave is at the level where you can, reach and pull and maneuver the steamer, in and out. Because the thing is, this steamer, when it's basically boiling water, that you have it in the pan, and you don't want your microwave to be above head level and then having you to try to take it out and not spill the hot boiling water. So do make a note that make sure your microwave is waist level at least, and the most is uh, head level or eye level. But yeah, these work great. Like I said, I got another one. Now at the time of the deal is $3.59 for a microwave steam, vegetable steamer. Pretty cool, two trays. Next up is basically a simple wooden, you know, what do you call it? The spoon, spatula, or no? Basically a wooden spoon. This is called a Japanese wooden spoon. At least that's what's listed. Pretty simple. This one goes for $2.39. Very lightweight, but yeah, pretty simple spoon. And I believe that wasn't it. It was actually 6 pieces that I got for $2.39. So not too bad. See, one, two, somewhere in there, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There you go, guys. Not a bad deal for 6 pieces wooden spoon for $2.39. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Next up is these little items right here. I know I could have used those, what do you call it, those clothes hangers or the dry hangers. Shoot, I forgot the name of them. But you know those, I don't know, what do you call it, tweezers or something? Shoot, I'm using the wrong name. But anyways, this little item right here is used as a bag holder for your trash can. You have those trash bins or trash cans, and when you put bag over it, you basically just put this in, and it helps hold the bag. You could put a set of 4 of them each can just to hold your bag in. Yeah, keeps it nice and steady. Pretty simple. This one, $1.49 for 10 pieces of these. So pretty handy tool. I could use it for other things, just to hold in place. All right. Next up is, what is this? Okay. Oh, this one is just basically simple. I believe it's a 4 to 5 gallon trash bags, and it's a 30 pack for $1.79. Now here's the thing. I have, little small trash cans in, in my rooms, and they're basically 4 gallons, 5 gallons, or even the little bathroom cans, trash cans that are like 2-3 gallons. So I used to get these at the 99 cents only store, but as you may have heard, 99 cents only is out of business or closing down or whatnot. But besides that, prior to them announcing the closure, I would say even a year before that, let's go a year back, I could not find any 5 gallon or less trash bags anymore. For some reason, they stopped selling them. So yeah, I tried Dollar Tree also. Dollar Tree doesn't carry any trash bags that are about 4 or 5 gallons. They only had, I would say, the biggest is an 8 gallon, and 8 gallon is definitely too big. So yeah, I, pretty simple trash bags. Now I'm looking at it right now. They put the sticker right over the first trash bag, and I guarantee it might tear up, so you might lose one trash bag that way. But 30 pieces for $1.79, it's all right deal. So yeah, it's what I need. Next up is something was in here. I'll figure it out. This one right here is basically a pot stand. Your cooking pot, your hot pot, or whatever. Yeah, right here, $1.49 for a simple stand like this. You could put your pot over it or anything, just like that. There you go. Pretty cool. $1.49 for portable stand, pot stand. Look at this. How it just folds like that, and when you need it, boom. I bet you this is great for camping, hiking, whatever, and then you're cooking and you have a hot pot and you just put it over it just like that. Made of wood. Pretty simple. Next up is this one right here is a phone stand. I have, how I'm shooting with my phone camera, and yeah, basically an extra phone stand that I could use. Let's see. Okay, so basically this is a twist tight yeah, holder. So pretty cool. Rotates 360 degrees. Yeah, this one right here, I got it for listing price at $1.69 for this. And I remember I did get something like this off of eBay, and they were selling them for $6-7, you know, including shipping, or if it's free shipping, that it's already high at, you know, $6-7. So not too bad. Next up is, what is this long thing right here? Ah, that's what she said, huh? All right, I think that's all that's in the bag. Let me double check. Okay, I believe this is the last item. This is actually a fishing rod pole, telescopic fishing rod pole. Ooh, I like it. Yeah, I believe I got something similar to this a while back. It was the green fishing rod pole, and this is the white one. Yeah, pretty cool. Great for traveling. You see how short it is, and I believe mine extends to about 5-6 feet. Yeah, double check, but I believe this is a 5.5 footer to 6 feet, and it telescope, you know, in its short form, probably I would say about 1.5 feet, I believe. Yeah, less than 2 feet definitely, but yeah, so pretty cool. Now this one right here, I got it for, I would say, yeah, it's $2.69 for this telescopic fishing rod. Not too bad. It's not a heavy, I believe it's not a heavy duty rod, but it, you know, would do the job for temporary or for on the go fishing. I could put this in my backpack and, you know, say if I go track, yeah. If I go hiking, trailing, I could, you know, hit up the streams or anything. So pretty cool. All right, I believe that is it. Let me double check. Oh yeah, this one right here is a silicone spatula. Yeah, more items here that I didn't get yet. Put to the side. Yeah, this one is a simple silicone spatula, and it's meant, you know, you could use it on hot grills or barbecues. Yeah, this would be perfect for, you know, your to-go grill, or, you know, so it won't scrape up the pots and pans. So pretty cool. Heat resistance and everything, you know, silicone, not too bad. This one right here, I got it for $1.79 for it, and I believe it came with multiple colors, and I, you know, end up getting the black one, the normal one first. Yeah, looks pretty good and sturdy. I believe there's a metal you know, plate that's in here that holds it up. See, the metal plate starts from here, goes all the way up to the handle. Let's double check. I got a magnet here. Yep, there it is. So it has a metal plate inside. That's pretty cool. Keep it sturdy. Nice. I'm actually gonna get more of this. I mean, this is very handy. All right. Last item here is a wooden tong. $1.69 for this. For a simple wooden tong. That's pretty cool too. There you go. Yeah, this is great for, you know, picnicking or whatever. Uh, yeah, wooden tong, not too bad. All right, guys, let's make this presentable. There, I think you can see all that, right? Have it just like that. Okay. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Peace.